All my life, in my heart, be with me, Bhagwan. You are my life, you are my breath, you are my treasure. So be with me, Bhagwan, be with me, Bhagwan. Simple enough. So I'm sure, imagine Swami knocks on your door by surprise, and if he says, sing this bhajan, let's close our heart, close our eyes, open our hearts to receive him. And with that feeling, let's offer this bhajan at his lotus feet. Be with me, Bhagavan. Be with me, Bhagavan. Sai. Sai.